We have once the outbreak happened and then lockdown happened in India, we started to explore that what contribution we can make to society in terms of fighting against COVID-19. And that's when we realized that every day we are bringing in a lot of groceries in our houses, and then we are washing them with soap water or with alcohol and stuff like that. And at the same time, if you look at hospitals, they are in dire shortage of masks and PPE and all of that kind of stuff. So how do we make sure that more masks are available to the hospitals? And the thing is that we need quality masks over there. So even AIMS said that to its doctors that you take your mask and sanitize it and try to sanitize and reuse it. But how do you sanitize it? You cannot just put a sanitizer on a mask because it will render it unusable. So that's when we figure out that UV light, if when designed in the right way, with the right intensity and orientation, then it can sanitize any object. But the design feature and the has to be really great, so that every corner of the object is covered. At the same time, the intensity is above the threshold recommended by FDA. That's what we designed. We have been able to pull together all our resources and design this product from idea to manufacturing in less than 15 days. So that's what has happened, and now we've been able to deploy this product across all police stations in Bangalore, and then it has gone to hospitals in Mumbai, in Delhi, in Bangalore, and other places. Apart from the direct customers which are buying it for their houses. So it has been a great success for Log9 because the quick time to market that we have been able to deliver on this product is phenomenal.
Lovely. I think adversity has this weird thing. It creates opportunities, right? And it also nudges people like you to create, build, innovate, and create these solutions. So yes, I mean, I was recently watching this video. There was this doctor who was showing how if he goes out to shop for essentials, he comes back and then he's got to transfer stuff from one bag to another, then he's got to sanitize it, and it's an extremely cumbersome process, right? So you saying you have a corona oven, which whatever, whether it's groceries, whether it's personal protective equipment, all you need to do is you need to put it in that oven. And how long would it take to sanitize?
So within 10 minutes, any surface can be sanitized of COVID-19 or any other pathogen. So it's not just the COVID-19 virus, but any kind of bacteria or any other kind of mold, any other kind of virus or pathogen can be completely neutralized. And you just buy all the groceries and stuff and then put it inside the chamber and then.
Lovely. And what about the production? Because at this point in time, I mean, are you production? If you need to scale up, or how does that work? What are the partnerships? Do you have?
So we are already we are using various contract manufacturers for this product, and we are at a stage of where we produce 200 units per day, and now we are ramping it higher. So because the demand is much more, we are ramping up production as we speak.